Alright guys, so here's an impromptu video. Unfortunately, I'm at a funeral right now, but that being said, the person that bought our car off us a while back, that we did the Maaco paint job on, is here. And as you can see, it's got new wheels and new tint and all that good stuff, and it clearly hasn't been washed, but I just wanted to show you what, it's been over a year. And I wanted to show you what it looks like. And if you guys start pointing things out in the video, I'll tell you if they're like bird duty or just dirt or whatever, but it looks pretty solid from here. I mean, like, that's clearly bird duty. Those are cat paw prints. But, yeah, you know, pretty solid. Gaps are still good. Window trim, still good. Now, we didn't have them paint like this stuff, so, you know, obviously that's not going to be. But I think he might have put a new hood on it. I don't remember if you had that hood. But yeah, again, we didn't have them do like the trim or anything like that, so that's why that's there. Yeah, they didn't do that. They didn't do these, but yeah, looks. I mean, $490 or something like that out the door, if I remember correctly, after tax and everything like that. Still pretty solid.